How you doing? Dr. Brad Murray, High Performance Health. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about how to open up those hip flexors with a good stable core, allowing some freedom of movement of that hip while that core is nice and stable to take the pressure off that low back and to really get those glutes involved in your movements. So we've done the kneeling hip flexor stretch where you're down on one knee and you go into a posterior pelvic tilt to help stretch the hip flexors and activate the gluteals at the same time. We're going to bump this guy up a little bit and we're going to do a split squat. Very similar movement, and really important that when you get into that split squat position that you're maintaining that posterior pelvic tilt the entire time. As you go down into the split squat, you're really going to feel the urge to open up and buckle forward. You're only going to be going down as deep as you can go while still maintaining that posterior pelvic tilt. As soon as you start to feel it kind of tilt like so, that's as high as you can, that's as low as you can go in the split squat. So it's going to look like this. Your foot's back, you're going to hop out slightly. You can feel the anterior tilt. You're going to pull up into that posterior tilt. You're going to activate those glutes, and you should be pretty stacked here as far as the hip and shoulder goes. You don't want to be arching back through the back. You should be stable here and a little bit of extension through the hip, not more than about 15 degrees. That lead knee, you're going to hop out a tiny bit. You're going to open that knee so it's directly over the little toe, stay out, and the majority of weight is going to be on your heels, just like a normal squat. You want to be pushing through your heel. Now, a lot of people tend to kind of lunge forward with that split squat. We really want to ensure that you're staying stacked directly in line with the hips, and you're going to come down like an elevator. Hold and back up. As soon as you go down and you feel like you lose it through your low back to get lower, that's going too far. Once again, tilt that pelvis, activate those gluteals, straight down, pause, and back up. You want to feel like you're generating a lot of the push with your lead leg. You don't want to be pushing down on this leg to help you out. You want to be focusing on those pelvic mechanics with your split squat. Use this split squat. It's going to give you more powerful hips, take some pressure off your back, open up those hip flexors.